Beginning the spiral exercise. This spiral exercise is the start of body awareness, posture, self-carriage, foot placement, and stretching throughout the body. Before starting spirals, start with an active forward warm-up walk of 8 to 10 minutes. Beginning the spiral exercise is great for the forward horses that are heavy on the forehand. It helps to open their chest and bend through the rib cage. Also for older horses for body and posture maintenance, and sensitive horses to refocus and redirect their energy. This first horse is very heavy on the forehand and she finds it difficult to yield her front legs and shoulders across laterally. So an alternative to driving her forward is to lead her into a spiral so she walks around your body as you step towards the hind quarter. Beginning the spiral exercise at this level determines the horse's capability of an active stretch through the sacrum, the pelvis, the hindquarters, and the bend through the abdomen and the opening of the shoulders in the base of the neck. We briefly finished this first spiral exercise with a few steps backwards to encourage the forehand heavy horse to engage her hindquarters, the core, and to start bending their joints through their hips, stifle, and hocks. The flat hand rub underneath her abdomen and in the girth area encourages releasing tension and engaging the long back muscles to carry a saddle and rider. The next horse is a 35-year-old gelding, and at first the circle I asked for was far too small as he pivoted on his hind legs. A bigger circle would be more appropriate for the older horses that potentially may have arthritic or stiff joints. The beginning spiral exercise is an active stretch where the horse will stretch themselves and they will only step through and under themselves as much as their own comfort allows them. They will not overstretch to cause any soft tissue damage, which is why the bigger circles are more appropriate for the older or stiff horses or those recovering from injury. Daily exercises maintain the older horse's posture, lubricate and engage the joints, and maintain muscle stretch and strength. The spiral exercise is also great for the more sensitive horses that may not always be fully present or that tend to bend to the outside or may look to the outside of the circle. It's a great focus change exercise, starting with a larger circle and then bringing the horse into a smaller spiral. This horse is being driven through the exercise, so pressure is being put on him to go forward, stay out on the circle, and to yield his hindquarters. The first dark horse was led through the spiral. This horse is being driven using pressure to step towards him through the spiral. This encourages him to bend around into the same direction that he is going. As all of these horses progress through their exercises, the spiral circle will become much smaller, the strides will become much slower, and the hind feet will step further underneath themselves. The horses will be able to focus more on their posture and their foot placement. Gradually, their bend, stretch, and strength will improve. This is very much a lateral stretch through the body's joints, and it will take several weeks of consistent practice for the horse to start developing greater flexibility, bend, balance, and posture.